Hey guys, today we are going to be playing with the Jade Beauty Bay palette. This is going to be a quick tutorial showing you quick tips on color and application. Longer videos are also coming. First, I'm just going to prime my face. I'm going to use my face tool. I really love this tool. And then next we're going to go into eyeshadow. We're going to use a color affirmation as our transition shade. We're going to go into the crease using windshield wiper motions, just building up the color. This is just the frame before you put on any more brighter colors. So I'm going to show you a visual of how I did this. Then we are going to use the orange shade Dawn. This is going to be the main color in the crease. So we're going to dip and build until it is the intensity you want. So it can be as bright or as dull as you want. Just keep dipping and blending until it's the color you want. And also put it on the outer corner. So put it on the outer corner and in the crease. So I'll show you how I did this. First in the crease, I just built it up. And then I put it on the outer corner so it can frame the eye. Next we're going to go into Rose Quartz, which is this nice metallic shade. We're going to wet a flat packer brush for more intensity, and we're going to put it in the middle of our eyelid. The next color we're going to use is Crystal Clear, and we're going to also wet a smaller flat brush. We're going to wet it, and then we're going to put it in the inner corner. So this is the look before I did the rest of my makeup, and then this is the finished look. I am so happy with this look. I can list the products that I use below. And I can also show you how I do my face makeup in a future video. So this is the before and after. I really hope that you enjoyed this first quick tutorial.